In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view customers in Gumroad. Viewing your customers on Gumroad helps you track purchases, manage orders, check customer emails, and monitor transaction activity easily. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the left sidebar and click on the Sales section. Inside the Sales page, you'll see a complete list of your transactions and customers. For each order, you can view the customer name, email address, product purchased, purchase date, payment amount, and transaction status such as paid, refunded, or cancelled. If you want more details, simply click on a specific transaction. This opens the full customer information including billing details, download activity, and shipping information for physical products. You can also use the search bar and filters to quickly find specific customers. For example, you can filter by product, payment status, purchase date, country, or order amount. This is very useful when managing a large number of sales. Another helpful feature is exporting your customer list. You can export customer data as a CSV file directly from the Sales section, which is useful for email marketing, analytics, or customer management. Usually, the Sales dashboard is the main place where you manage all customer activity on Gumroad because it gives you complete access to orders, payments, and buyer information in one place. That's it. Once you open the Sales section, you can quickly view and manage all your Gumroad customers easily.